How to update your language preference in Claude AI. This tutorial shows you how Claude adapts to your language, since there isn't a separate toggle to set it manually. First, open the Claude app on your Android device. From there, start a new conversation or open an existing one. After that, simply type your message in the language you want Claude to respond in. Once you send that message, Claude automatically replies in the same language without needing a settings toggle. At this stage, if you'd like to switch languages mid-conversation, just type your next message in the new language. Following this, Claude picks up on that shift and continues responding in the language you're currently using. If you'd like Claude to consistently default to a specific language across every new conversation instead of relying on this automatically, there's one more option worth checking. From here, tap your profile icon within the app. At this stage, look for Settings, then check under Personal Preferences for any language or response style options, since these are occasionally added and may vary depending on your app version. That's how you update your language preference in Claude AI. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!